So no wonder why it's cool, I'm the dude that they hating on. And I ain't gonna stop till the day that I drop, so you haters might be waiting along. So tell me what they gon' do with me, when I am that dude you could be, but homie you can't, and haters.
Hi YouTube, time for the daily pack opening, M15. We're looking for lands, planeswalkers, and maybe a few others, who knows. We have Void Snare, Infernal Fist, Shadow Cloak Vampire, Hunter's Ambush, Soulmender, Mind Sculpt, Torch Fiend, Bronze Sable, Meditation Puzzle, Statue of Denial, and our first uncommon is Broadkeeper. Capsho Kite Fins. Our last uncommon is Paragon of Internal Winds, and our rare is Hushwing Griffin, Mountain Endless. Alright, thank you.
If I'm wasting my time, please let me know. Don't keep me around, girl, please let me go. I don't wanna hurt you, but I don't understand what was so wrong with wanting to be